Welcome back to Alexander Cattlemen Farms, committed to Nebraska beef. Today we're going to talk a little bit about stockpiling manure. As you can see behind us, we have a huge surplus of manure. Cattle will eat 40 pounds of feed per head per day, and a typical animal will actually convert that to 3.5 pounds of gain, so the excess is all waste. What we'll do is, after a pen has been shipped, we'll go in, we'll use tractors, box scrapers, and other methods to bring in dirt, take out the manure, and bring it up here, not only on our facility to stockpile, but out to fields to spread later on in the fall. We don't like to leave manure stockpiled in the pen normally. It just really makes a hassle for cattle to get up to eat. When it rains, or if there's snow, any kind of moisture, that pile will actually slough off, and it'll become very deep. It's very hard for cattle to get around. So the best way to do it is stockpile it, load it up, and bring it up here onto the hill. And then the reason why we're not just leaving it just on the place here and stockpiling it is we don't necessarily need to spread it at on certain times of the year. So usually after we harvest or through the winter is the best time for us to spread. So what we'll do is we'll actually come back up to the stockpiles, we'll take and reload it, we'll take it out and apply it to nutrient management specifications, and it just basically saves the next step of loading it 2 or 3 more times. A vital part of catching all this manure is making sure that we control the runoff. And why we stockpile here at the place is because we are already DEQ permitted and certified to catch all the waste anyways. So anytime it rains or we get any kind of weather, we'll actually catch all that runoff and it'll be caught in our lagoon, and that basically serves as preserving the water supply, keeping it from contaminating basically everyone's drinking water and water in the aquifer. We'll also do the exact same thing in the field. We'll always meet minimum setbacks next to fields that are by creeks or streams. Any water that would touch water in the state of Nebraska, we just make sure that the manure is not doing that. We're preserving the environment. Thank you for joining us here at Alexander Cattlemen Farms, committed to Nebraska beef, and we'll see you next time.